Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Animals, subtopic Classification of Animals and Animals Eating Habit. Hari ini kita akan belajar tajuk baru Unit 4 Animals, Haiwan, Classification of Animals, Pengelasan Haiwan dan Animals Eating Habit, Tabiat Pemakanan Haiwan. Classification of animals. Animals can be classified into three groups, which are animals that eat plants only, for example, rabbit and elephant. Animals that eat animals only, for example, snake and eagle. Next, animals that eat both plants and animals. For example, monkey and chicken. Animals eating habit. Animals that eat plants only is called herbivore. Herbivore. Animals that eat animals only is called carnivore. Carnivore. Animals that eat plants and animals is called omnivore. Omnivore. Rabbit and elephant eat plants only. So, these animals are herbivore. Herbivore. Can you name other animals that have the same eating habit? Giraffe, goat, and cow. These three animals are herbivores because they eat plants only. Snake and eagles eat animals only, so they are carnivore. Carnivore. What are the eating habits for these animals? Tiger and frog. Tiger and frog eat other animals. So, tiger and frogs are carnivores. What about monkey and chicken? Monkey and chicken eat both plants and other animals. For example, chicken eats worm and paddy. Therefore, both animals are omnivores. Omnivores. Can you give other examples for omnivores? Cat and rat are omnivores because these two animals eat both plants and animals. You have two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Let's look at task 1. Task 1, using your science activity book, page 37. Color the animal shown in the pictures below according to the following: animals that eat plants only, color with green color. For example, animal that eat plants only is rabbit, elephant, and goat. You color these three animals with green color and you do the rest. Okay, it's page 38. Also in your science activity book, in page 38 you have to refer to the activity in page 37. Based on activity 1, classify the animals according to their natural eating habits. Write your answers in the table below. Okay, the first one, eat what? Eat plants only, eat animals only, and eat plants and animals. You refer to the activity 1 in page 37 and you write down the correct answer, the correct animals in the box. And then also answer question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4. Next, page 39, also in your science activity book, answer, refer to the animals in the picture only. Observe the picture below and answer all the questions. Look at the picture. There are 4 animals in the picture: grasshopper, rat, goat, and eagle. Question number 1. State the herbivores. Herbivores is the animals that eat plants only. Which are the animals that eat plants only in the pictures? Grasshopper and goat. Then you proceed with number 2, 3, and 4. Task 2. You will need to do task 2 in your science writing book ataupun buku penulisan sains kamu. Arahan, build a mind map about animals eating habit. Bina peta minda tentang tabiat pemakanan haiwan. Animals eating habit. Tajuknya adalah animals eating habit. Write down this mind map in your book and isikan tempat kosong dengan jawapan yang betul. This is the tempat kosong, the question mark. For example, eat animals is known as carnivore. Write down 2 names of animals that you know is a carnivore. Apa haiwan carnivore? Write down here. And then eat plants, herbivore. What herbivore that we just learned just now? Okay, you write down here 2 herbivores, 2 animals. And then eat plants and animals is omnivore. I've written here chicken. You write down 1 more, omnivore. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you will complete the task, the 2 tasks. You can WhatsApp me if you have any problem, and also if you want me to check your answers. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.